So we're going on a tour today. Well, not really a tour.
We're going on the Samoeng Loop, which is a loop around Chiang Mai. It's done on the motorbike, so you just ride it, and it's 100 kilometers long. And it's done if you take your time between 3 to 4 hours. So what we're gonna do is hire a motorbike, and we're gonna go riding.
So it's like a self-tour kind of style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We'll take you
Let's go.
along. So we just got here to Maesa Waterfalls. It took about 45 minutes from the city centre. It was pretty intense riding, but I was on the back, so G, what did you think about it?
So yeah, it was very intense. My hand kind of hurts of holding the wheel of the motorbike, and it's just pretty hectic. Like, you think, oh, I'm just not gonna go through the middle of the cars, I'm just gonna take in my lane, but you can't, because people start beeping at you. You have to move out of the way, and then other motorcycles go around you, so you kind of have to follow what the other motorcycles do, and yeah, it can get a bit stressful, but I think just go slow and take it easy. There's no rush to go anywhere. So yeah, so we are here, and let's enjoy the waterfalls. The elephant reserve, and unfortunately it was closed, so we kept driving, and then while we are driving we actually saw a little elephant on the way.
Why is it swinging like that?
Is he dancing?
It's just like swinging around. It's so beautiful.